Okay, so we got the Metabo 21 degree air nailer here. Got it to match this Flex 21 degree that we have. Just have the same nails, make it easier when we're using two guns, because he has a 28 degree boss stitch right now.
The boss stitch. There is life after DeWalt and boss stitch, but I bought that $40, rebuilt it at a swap shop. So
yeah, it's got nice extended mag. Not too heavy.
does the new one have an extended mag?
It looks like it's pretty extended.
Let's take it out of the box and find out.
So, really, the main reason we got this, I wanted this triple hammer impact.
And the battery.
And the battery. So, my dad, we got this for $220 at Lowe's. So, go check your local Lowe's. It's probably on sale.
In-store special, $20 cheaper in store.
Yeah. So, I gave $100 for this, and he gave $100 for this, basically. So, it worked out great.
Who paid the tax? We didn't pay the tax. We ripped off the government. Right.
Yeah. We try to pay as little
Sorry, it's the other way
taxes as
around.
possible. So, open it up here, and we'll show you guys a size comparison between the
Is this
Flex.
what you call an unboxing?
Yeah.
This is exciting. Oh my
The
god.
unboxing.
What's in that box?
Probably
Woo!
the battery and charger.
It's a 9-volt.
So, it's not their top of the line charger, but you do get their 36-volt battery here. The water resistant, dust resistant, with the nice rubber casing.
IP9000 rated.
Yeah, and I really wanted this triple hammer. It's got the IP56 rating. Oh, you get a pair of safety glasses so you don't shoot your eye out. That's nice. Ooh, check this out.
Well, it looks like it's got the extended mag ozine.
That is nice. So,
It's slimmer and trimmer. Yeah, it's the same thing.
maybe a little chunkier.
Let me see it.
Here, bring it in on camera.
Oh my god! Oh, this is so heavy. What about this thing? Maybe this is a little. This is a little bit heavier. Send it back.
Send it back? No.
We're always talking about weight and kilojoules and things like that.
So here's the triple hammer. This is the big deal.
Wait, I thought there was 2 batteries.
No, you get one.
What is it?
Ooh, look at that thing. So, this is Metabo's, pretty much their best in the United States at least, triple hammer impact. IP56 rating, which is pretty nice. Man, it's so small and light compared to the DeWalt stuff. It's really nice.
Oh, jeez. I guess that is pretty light. You're telling me this is going to do what my black and yellow DeWalt does?
Yeah. So here's the DCF 860. It's actually a good bit larger than the Metabo. Now this does like 22,000 inch-pounds, 2,200. The Metabo does 1,900.
It's got your speed on it, slow.
Yeah, it's got your speed selectors.
There it is. Got big lighted numbers for your old man.
Yeah, and here's the...
Let's do this thing to you.
Oh yeah, destroy my thing. Nice. Alright. This is pretty nice. So, gives you the lanyard, which is pretty good. You got all your mode selections here.
Belt clip.
You've got your self-tapper, your large screw. There's your self-tapper now. Got these nice lights that you could toggle on or off.
What about Flex? Did we abandon Flex?
Flex is
Flex
good,
for fantasy?
but for an impact driver with finesse and lightweight, I think this is the best. Now, if Metabo could come out with some stacked lithium batteries to get the weight of these down a little bit, that would be great. Because right now you've only got the 21700 4 amp hour makes good power, but it's $100 a battery, and I don't want to pay that for it. This is, I think, the best impact driver on the market.
All right, well, we bought the tools that work, so are we going to do that?
Yeah.
When?
It's not the most powerful, but the finesse that it has, at least from what I've heard. And I have their smaller one, and that one's been working good the last 3 years. Beat the crap out of it. So I'm thinking this one is going to be a nice upgrade.
All right, can we take it back now?
No. So, as you could see, this Metabo is a good bit slimmer. It is. I guess they're about the same height. Not much shorter. Definitely get more clearance up here. This one's pretty chunky in the front. So it's definitely just a slimmer impact, and this has the self-tapping mode. This does not have the self-tapping mode for using sheet metal screws. Does not.
Sure it doesn't?
Speed 1 is just a low torque for finesse, but this has a self-tapping mode that will actually stop the screw as soon as it bites hard enough, so it doesn't strip out of your metal, which is really what I wanted. So this is, I think, a lot better than what DeWalt has to offer, or else I would have got this DCF 860. But pretty nice stuff. So now we'll show you those air nailers versus this Flex Quick.
Let's get to work here.
So here's the nailers versus each other. The weight difference, this is definitely a little heavier, but not much.
Yeah, but look, you hold more
This
nails.
definitely holds a lot more nails. Yeah. Now, Flex does have the extended mag for this.
But guess what? This isn't battery. This is pneumatic. So we'll turn that compressor on and run for 20 years. That battery is dead in a half hour.
No, this battery lasts 500 nails.
That's how many you should be putting in an hour. Maybe 1,000.
Yeah, well, start buying more houses then.
No.
This that air gun was like $200 alone. So to get it with the impact, that was such a deal. We had to get that. It's $100 off right now. It's like normally $320 for that kit. It was down to $220. So you better run to your Lowe's and check that out.
Yep.
But
the $100 that you're going to give me for it?
Yeah.
And
when you take it out of my paycheck.
Okay, so speaking of that, let's get to work and make some money, America.
Yeah, we're getting to work now.
People sitting around waiting for us to get in action here, so don't want to keep them waiting. Let's go.
Yep, so tune into the shorts. We'll show you the air nailer versus electric. Maybe I'll put an end cap with that. Who knows? But like and subscribe. We'll have some more videos coming out on the Flex stuff, air nailer, the turbo, triple hammer.
Our Harbor Freight
Yeah, NRR ratings.
Cheap.
All right. See you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe.